इंशाल्लाह आने वाले सालों में उम्मीद करते हैं कि कुछ और भी हम इसमें आइटम से लेकर आएंगे।
अच्छा, एंटरटेनमेंट का जो मसला है ना यहाँ पे आपका हमेशा ही थोड़ा सा कमजोर रहता है, मुझे शिकायत है आपसे।
वो इसलिए कमजोर रहता है कि हम अपनी एक लिमिटेशन में चलते हैं, इसलिए कि रमजान का मौका होता है तो रमजान में कुछ म्यूजिकल इस तरह की चीजें हम नहीं कर सकते जब तक चांद ना हो जाए। अब चांद के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, अगर आज चांद हो गया तो कुछ हल्का फुल्का म्यूजिक हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर चांद नहीं हुआ तो जो है वो फिर हम उस इंटरटेनमेंट को अच्छा नहीं समझते कि रमजान के अंदर हम कोई ऐसी इंटरटेनमेंट दे सकें।
Because people who are listening or watching this program on Desi TV, and Ramadan is a very, very holy month, and sometimes people are refrain to listen to the music and these kind of things, stay away from them, just in respect. So that's why she is recommending that sometimes we don't have. अच्छा, ये बताएं कि चांद रात आपने यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज करना शुरू की थी कि पाकिस्तान में भी की थी?
एक्चुअली हमें यहाँ आए हुए भी काफी अरसा गुजर चुका है, बल्कि आधी लाइफ से ज्यादा यहाँ गुजर गई है।
हाँ, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, जिस दिन आप आए थे हम ऊपर वाले फ्लैट में रहते थे, आप नीचे वाले फ्लैट में रहते
जब शायद जी हाँ, तो वो बहुत मतलब पुरानी बात हो गई। तो मुझे लगता है कि चांद रात हमने दूसरे मुल्कों में जरूर की है, इसलिए कि हम लोग पूरी दुनिया में रहे हैं तो सारी डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे कर चुके हैं। अमेरिका में, दुबई में, सऊदीया में, काफी प्लेसेस पे कर चुके हैं और यहाँ भी अब हमें 8 साल हो गए करते हुए।
माशाल्लाह।
तो इंशाल्लाह जो है ये बरकरार रखेंगे।
चलें, सही है, बहुत शुक्रिया आप आई और हमारे देखने वालों को सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी, और अतीकुल हसन को भी हम लेके आएंगे, उनसे भी बातें करेंगे।
और थैंक यू फॉर यू, और आपका जो देसी टीवी STV, तो उनका भी हम शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं।
जी, दिस इज अ जॉब बिकॉज दिस इज अ कम्युनिटी फंक्शन एंड वी हैव टू कवर दैट वन, एंड इट्स प्लेजर टू बी हियर। तो आप इंशाल्लाह आपसे फिर मुलाकात रहेगी।
इंशाल्लाह जरूर। फिर आप एंजॉय करें और देखें, और बल्कि लोगों से मिलें, उनके इंटरव्यूज लें, और मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों से अच्छी तरह से ही इंटरव्यूज वगैरह करेंगे। और
चलें, सही, बहुत शुक्रिया।
अच्छा,
ओके जी,
थैंक्स,
अल्लाह हाफिज। अल्लाह हाफिज। Welcome back to Chand Raat again, ladies and gentlemen, and we have today a chief organizer of Chand Raat who's been organizing this night for last 8 years. Yes, that's right, last 8 years. His name is Sayyid Atikul Hassan. He's very active as community, as his wife is Saraya Hassan. So we're going to have a little chat with him and see what he has to say. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. How are you, Zaid?
I'm good. Say, Atik, you've been very active in community for a long time, but you just made your mark on a Chand Raat. Why did you select only Chand Raat for last 8 years?
Yeah, I think if you recall, Chand Raat is not the only function we have done in the community. Yeah. In fact, actually, the first function we had done for the Pakistani community and by large South Asian community was in 1992, when we arranged a multicultural program at Lakemba. And then since then we have been involved, and we in the past had arranged Pakistan Independence Day program and Pakistan Day programs. We had Pakistan Day rally at Martin Place, and we actually proudly have given so many unique and very entertaining and also very multicultural and cultural promotional programs to the community, including Chand Raat Eid Festival. Yes.
Okay, now tonight we are especially here covering Chand Raat, so I will be talking about Chand Raat mostly. Chandrat is actually explained to my viewers that what actually Chandrat is. So I already done that. But Chandrat for last 8 years, you have started on a small basis. Now, what do you think Chandrat is going very well and the crowd is building up every year?
Yeah, actually, when we brought this idea, we could not actually have that kind of atmosphere what we have in our in our home, like in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, where people celebrate the whole night before the Eid, and they go and celebrate and buy, and families going and they don't sleep whole night shopping, mehndi, henna, and all that. So we thought let's do something like that, so we can give opportunity to the business community, to the and then the people, all the people, families, so they get together and let's have for a few moments, for at least for one night, that kind of atmosphere, and people come together, do late night Eid shopping, and this is now another opportunity and become like that sort of event where people wait for a whole year to get together. Exactly. And they meet only at Chandrat. So it's and now as you can see, it's been growing, and last year we held here, and we thought that that's okay, maybe we go on another one. But then we didn't go. We thought, okay, let's go one more time here as well, and let's see what happens. And I believe now you're going to be seeing in another 1 hour that there's going to be a huge people turning here. So we have to go further in a big, on maybe a big scale, further in a big hall or somewhere.
Okay, I think this is a very important question, not only for me, but also the people who are watching TVS. Yeah. And I assure you that not only Pakistani, Indian, Fijian, and Desi community is watching it, sure, but also mainstream Australia community is watching it as well. But wouldn't we like to invite them actually to come and join us in festivals like that?
Exactly. I mean, if you can see, this is what we are objective as well. Like, and if you go and see when we define Chandrat Eid Festival at our website, chandrat.net, we say it's not the religious event; it's a cultural event rather. And we are very happy to see here. If you go and ask the stall holders, they are from India, they are from Bangladesh, and they are from Indonesia and Lebanese, and even a few stall holders, they are not Muslim. So it's not like really a very, very religious day. It's a cultural day. Of course, we are celebrating Eid and Ramadan, and tomorrow will be the Eid. But the event itself is a cultural where people get together. And you can see the people, you can see different faces. Even now, people coming from different communities, and they're enjoying.
Yes, I can see some Fijian Indian communities here as well, and Pakistani Indians. And yes, so ladies and gentlemen, the message is that we like to showcase these kind of festivals on TVS because we want you to come and join us. And it's not particularly a Muslim fest for only for Muslim, but also for everybody else.
Exactly, it's a very multicultural event. It's a cultural promotion, and people from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, from all South Asia. We basically, as far as our culture is concerned, as far as our other traditional things are concerned, we have the same kind of activities. We have the same way of celebrating our events, whether it's a Diwali or Holi or any other, or even Christmas in India, or so, and like entertainment and going together, shopping and all that. So yes.
Okay. Now, would you like to leave any message for the people who are watching the show?
First of all, I would like to thank TVS, and particularly you. Actually, you came here and you have given a time, and I'm very happy that you are participating here. Not today, but you have been announcing for a long time, for a few weeks, to promote this event, and that definitely help us today. And we will see a lot of people who have been watching your program, and only not your TVS but your radio as well. I know you do couple of radio programs as well, and you have promoted. So thanks for you, and you will be and your viewers, as your program is becoming very popular, will be knowing about cultural this Chandrat Eid festival. My message actually simple is this: that we need your support, and we need your help. This is not my function. This is not my family function. It has become now a public function. Because the reason is that here we can see a teamwork. We see here the people coming from very far distance and from different communities rather, not only Pakistani, bringing their food, bringing their stuff, and